Hi everyone, I'm Amy with Be Alpha Smart. Today's tip is the filters shortcut. The shortcut to add filters is Control plus Shift plus L. I've added a range of data and now I want to add filters. I could highlight my headers, then go to the toolbar to find the filter function, or I could use a shortcut. Let's click any cell in our data set, then click Control, Shift, L. As you can see, our filters were automatically added to the top of the range of data. If we want to remove the filters, then we can do the same. Control, Shift, L, and the filters will toggle off. I hope you learned something new today that could help you be Alpha Smart. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy learning Excel. It's free. Also, please click the bell to stay notified when new videos are available. Thanks everyone. See you next time.